Joshua Chukwu. So I'll say like here that I've been in Titacom, it has been a fresh start in the course I've been learning, CCNA. It has been like, compared to other places, it's here that I actually gain a lot of the knowledge, if not all of the knowledge I know about the course I'm learning. So I'll say that coming to Titacom has really helped in my understanding of the course in which I went for. So I'll say like here in Titacom, I'll say the structure of the learning is really good, because as much as the theory aspect, you need to learn that part. We also have the practical aspect to mix it, so that what we've learned in the theory, we can actually use it to apply in the practical aspect. So it really helps. Titacom has really helped in combining the two, so that you can gain maximum knowledge on whatever topic you are learning. Over 100, I'll give Titacom 90%, because it has really helped me in learning my course. It has really helped me in having a wide knowledge in it, and it has really boosted my confidence in my course, as I'll be able to explain to someone else if given the chance, because of what I've been taught and what I've learned in Titacom.